Thabo Bester, the convicted murderer and who escaped from prison in 2022, is demanding improved prison conditions. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Thabo Bester is arguing that his current conditions at Kgosi Mampuru Correctional Center are inhumane and violate his constitutional rights. Now, Bester wants regular visit from family and legal counsel. He's saying that he's seeking better living conditions, including more time outside his cell. Now, Bester wants access to digital devices and more consultation time with his lawyer. Now, for some of those who do not know, Bester escaped from Mawung Correctional Center in May 2022 by faking his death in a cell fire. He was recaptured in Tanzania in April 2023 and is currently awaiting trial. Now, the Judicial Inspectorate for Correctional Services has found that hundreds of prisoners, including Bester, are being held in solitary confinement, which is a form of torture. But however, the Department of Correctional Services denies Bester's claims, stating that he is receiving adequate treatment and facilities. The public protector has found out that there was undue delay in handling Bester's prison escape and has recommended improvements. Now, Bester's demands have sparked debate about prison conditions and human rights in South Africa. Now, a question that I have for you is, does the government of South Africa need to take away some of the rights for prisoners? Or they also human, they deserve full access to their human rights? What are your thoughts?